guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Asia and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me talk through. So I know I haven't done that in a long time, and yeah, so just stay tuned. I was talking about a lot. I was talking about manifestation. I was talking about my goals for 2020, just giving you all a little life update because I know I've been gone for a long time. But yes, if you're interested in this hair, this is from my hair company that I have launched about a month and a half ago on Black Friday, and it is called Luxury Crown Extensions. This is 26 inches of the silky straight, and these lashes are also from my hair company in the lash style Karis. So yeah, stay tuned for this get ready with me. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back posting more frequently. I just had to take a little break because I do explain in the video why I've been gone. So thank you for watching, guys. I already primed my face with my No Pore Balm by Touching Soul. I don't know. That was back when I had a BoxyCharm subscription, which, yeah, that's how I got that. But anyway, I've been gone for hella long, y'all. I've been gone since right before Thanksgiving, and it's currently January 11th, and I finally figured out how I can do get ready with me, and I can do talk throughs, and I can actually talk because I don't interact on my channel. I just be doing a tutorial, do a voiceover. I just do a tutorial, do a voiceover, and just get that out. But like, y'all don't even like know me, and while I've been gone, I really hope y'all can hear that, but y'all can definitely hear that. While I've been gone, like, I have started a whole bunch of new things. I've started 2 new businesses, and yeah, like, I've honestly been doing a whole lot of different stuff. Like, I've honestly been going through a lot, like, growing up. I just turned 20 at the end of December, so I'm out of foundation. But yeah, I've just been going through a lot, just like growing up, and you know, figuring out what I want to do. And I just feel like 2019 was a big learning experience for me, and it wasn't easy. It was hard. Like, 2019 was very uncomfortable, I guess I should say. So like, I had a whole lot of uncomfortable changes that I wasn't prepared for, but I mean, it was made for me. You know what I'm saying? It was made for me. It's shaping me into a woman, and you know, I'm not gonna complain. Oh, I was complaining when I was going through it, but I'm not gonna complain. I'ma just take it and just go with it. And I'm just figuring out what I do and don't want in life, and yeah. But I think what I was trying to say was, while I was gone, I got a whole lot of new subscribers, and I just want to say what's up to y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing to me. Y'all probably subscribed from hair videos, but with this new year, I'm gonna be doing a whole lot of different videos. Honestly, the real reason why I was gone is because I have 2 phones, and I have an 8 Plus and I have an XR. But when you have 2 phones and you have 1 iCloud, none of them have space. So I think what I need to do is I just need to make a separate iCloud, and especially now the fact that I have businesses now, that'll be fine. So I can have one as my business phone, one as my personal phone. So that's what I was planning on doing anyway. But I just really want to just talk to y'all and my new subscribers and just say thank y'all. In 2020, I have a whole lot of things to prove to myself. I got a lot of shit to prove to everybody, but I'm the only person that matters. But I got a lot of shit to prove. I'm a Capricorn, so if you know how we are, do you know what I'm talking about? So all I'm saying is I just have a whole lot to prove, and yeah, if you guys can relate, whether you're older than 20 or under 20 and you're just learning and figuring out what you want for yourself, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment, talk to me. Like, I really want to interact with y'all and stuff like that. Like, don't just watch my videos, like, interact with me. Now that I'm seeing it, I'm getting a little bit of views. Like, don't be fake. All I'm saying is 2020, I'm coming hard. But anyway, I know y'all like, what businesses did you start, bitch? So basically, I started my own hair company. I started my own hair company because, for one, that's what I like to do. That's my hobby. That's what, like, what's therapeutic to me. I like to, when I get on here and I record these videos, I just started getting hair sent to me for free. Like, after I went and started my own business, like, I just started getting hair sent to me for free. I don't get paid from YouTube. I'm not a big YouTube. Like, this is literally a hobby, and you guys don't understand. Or maybe you do. If you're a YouTuber too, then you understand, but YouTube is not as easy as it seems. I just started YouTube a year ago, October 2018, and I just became consistent back in August to November, which is not even a long time. I was consistently uploading every week, and I started seeing, you know, a lot of results. But I just told y'all my situation. But no more excuses. I'm back. I really want a new intro. I made my old intro, or the one that I'm currently using. I'm trying to decide if I want to pay somebody to make mine, now that, you know, I'm about to really come hard, you feel me? So I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I want to get someone to make mine. But if you guys have any suggestions, please comment below. I don't know how much I'm trying to spend, but if it's worth it, I'll spend a pretty penny. Not a pretty penny, but I'll spend a penny. But damn, my shit, bitch. Anyway, I'm about to fix this hair. Please don't judge, because it'll be cute by the end. Just stay tuned. But yeah, I'm just starting a whole lot of new things. I don't want to get into too much detail because I'm going to be putting a whole lot of that on my channel. So basically, what I've been thinking is, like, YouTube is where I can be personal. I'm not really an open person, but YouTube is where I can be a little bit more personal. Instagram is where I can be professional. My hair company is called Luxury Crown Extensions. We have 4 different textures in hair. We sell you know what I'm saying. But I sell bundles, wigs, and customized wigs. I'm gonna be having a whole lot of things added, but I also sell luxury mink eyelashes, 25mm mink eyelashes. They're really dramatic. I only have 2 styles right now, but I have so many new things coming soon. But currently I do bundles and I do wigs. And yes, if you would like to support me, by all means, all you have to do is just follow my page and support me. If you can't afford to purchase from me right now, don't even worry about that. Just, you know, a simple like, share, tag, repost, all that stuff is support. If you ask me, watching my videos is supporting me, commenting on my videos, liking my videos is supporting me. Like, it's the little things that matter to me. I'm not one of those people that's like, oh, you watching, but you're not buying. Like, no, you never know people's situation, and these days exposure really does go a long way. Business number 2 is the 6-figure blueprint. So that business is basically me helping other girls start their business. Like, if you need to find a vendor, I have all different types of vendors. I have hair vendors, eyelash vendors, I have packaging for hair and eyelashes, clothes, men's clothes, shoes, designer, you know, the luxury Chanel bags and stuff that people sell. I have those too. I have accessories, necklaces, watches, all that stuff, like hair clips, hair brushes, straighteners, everything. Just go over to my Instagram and check it out for me. And yeah, I have a whole lot of things coming with that as well. So this is me just telling y'all what I have right now, but all I'm saying is 2020, I have so much to prove to myself. I have so many new things that I'm going to be trying. And basically, this video is to say, if there's something that you've been thinking about, you know, I kind of want to start my own business, I kind of want to go to school, I kind of hate school, I kind of don't like school. If you're like, you know, I kind of feel like school isn't for me, like, just start living your life for you. Figure out what does and does not make you happy. Figure out what triggers certain things. If you have anxiety, if you have depression, if you just simply get pissed off and irritated, figure out exactly what it is that may trigger that, and ask yourself, is it worth it? Is it worth having this in my life? Is it worth is this job worth it? Is this money that I'm making at this job worth it? Like, but before you make a change, come up with a plan. And you don't have to share your plan with everybody, because eventually I'm gonna make a whole video just about everything that I've been doing and how I got to the point of wanting to start my own business. But if you know something's not for you, don't keep yourself in that situation. It's gonna make you miserable and it's gonna make you unhappy, and life is way too short to live like that. Not to get all spiritual, but that's just how I feel, and that's just, you know, how I got to where I am. And I'm happy in the situation I'm in, and shit, people probably looking at my situation like, but I just know that I have a vision for myself. I know that I have goals, and every day, you know, I have big goals for the year. I made a list of goals that I have for the whole year, and every day I take some type of step to get close to at least one of those goals. If you have a list of 20 goals, don't overwhelm yourself, you know what I'm saying? At least do one thing today to get to one goal, you know? Don't overwork yourself, because I'm the type of person, I get overworked and then I get overwhelmed and I shut down. Like, I don't want to do anything. So that's why I'm like, okay, like today, I'm lazy. I don't feel like doing anything today. Today's Saturday. Today, my parents are having family over here to watch a football game. I'm probably going to stay in my room. But what I did for 2020, not even for 2020, but my Instagram, I just had hella old pictures. I had pictures from high school. Like, I've had pictures since basically 2018 up. I didn't have a lot of pictures, but I just don't like the pictures no more. I want new pictures. I want new wardrobe. I want new every damn thing. I want a new, you know, I'm just a whole new me right now. Like, not to be corny, but real shit, is really a new year to me. And pretty much, I don't have no pictures on my Instagram, so I'm getting cute to